How to normalize audio in WavePad. First of all, open the WavePad Audio Editor on your computer. Next, open the audio file you want to normalize by clicking on the File menu and selecting Open File, or by pressing Ctrl+O for quick access. Once your audio file is loaded into the editor, go to the Levels tab on the top toolbar. From the list, find and click on the Normalize option. This feature helps balance the audio volume by increasing or decreasing the sound levels evenly throughout the track. When you click Normalize, a window will appear with normalization settings. Here you can adjust the normalization level if needed, but the default setting usually works well for most audio files. You also have options like Auto Normalize and Auto Normalize settings to automatically adjust the audio levels. After setting your preferences, click Apply to normalize your audio. Wait for a few moments while WavePad processes the changes. Once completed, your audio will have a consistent volume level throughout. Finally, save your edited audio by clicking File and then Save As to keep the original file intact. And that's it. Now you know how to normalize audio in WavePad. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more tech tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.